So I forgot to do any kind of voiceover or, generally just explaining while I was recording what's going on here. Those are all of the adapters that get the compressed air from the air compressor into this fitting, and then there's a valve on the end that's shut. And the whole purpose of this is so that we can fill that pipe, the newly repaired pipe, with compressed air. In this case, we're going about 100 psi, which far exceeds the working pressure. So we're really over testing it. This is just a low pressure lube oil line for the 8-cylinder generator. That's in B3. And in here, you can see this is all set up. That's the closed valve, so the air goes in at 100 psi. And in theory, when you put compressed air on it, none of it's going to shoot out through the repair or anywhere else. And luckily, right after this, it was tested and everything was good, so we got it back down. And next time we're in, we'll be able to get these reinstalled and not have to worry about them for a little while.
Keep it low. Okay.
So maybe it doesn't rub the paint away so fast?
One of them started using all its bearings. You guys can take that off. Warren Rice going to go first. I'm just taking the castings off. Let's see. You want to go that way? Yes.